Today this is a video on a hip stretch, which will be beneficial for keeping your hips moving well, keeping those healthy, but also will help keep knees healthy and your low back moving well. So this is focusing on the piriformis muscle, which is one of them that can cause some of that sciatic pain if it's not working as it should. So this will help stretch out that muscle. One word of warning is if you've had a total hip or a total knee surgery, go ahead and just skip this stretch. This is good for original joints, the ones that God gave you, but not the artificial joints. It might be putting those, pushing it a little bit into the limits for those. So a good stretch to prevent having to have a total knee or a total hip surgery, but if you've already had it, go ahead and skip this one. So what you're gonna do is in a chair, sitting at the edge of your chair, sitting up nice and tall, and you're gonna take one ankle and bring it over the opposite knee. As you do that, you wanna sit up nice and tall. You can take deep breaths. Now, if this muscle is tight, it might be hard to get your ankle up on that knee. So the starting place might be trying to gradually work that ankle up to the knee. And you might initially be more up here, just wherever you are. That's where you are. Your goal will be to have your ankle on a knee and trying to have that lower leg pretty horizontal. So go ahead and just, as I said, take some deep breaths, hold it for about 30 seconds, and then you can switch legs and do the other side also. In another video, I use this same position to do some foot massage and toe stretching. So if you want to stack your exercises or stack your stretches, you can do this one, which is beneficial, as I said before, for your knee, hip, low back, and you can give yourself a little foot massage at the same time. You can stick your fingers in between those toes to stretch out those toes. But before you start getting into stacking, make sure you can get into a good position here. Again, ankle on your knee, trying to let that lower leg here be horizontal. And obviously, I'm a fan of stacking your life as my kids are having a snack while we are making a video. So try it out. If you have questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and I'll try to answer those for you. If this video is helpful, go ahead and hit the like button or subscribe to the channel, so then you get notified if you when I put up some new videos. So hopefully it's helpful, and have a great day.